I've seen these videos where people do a day in the life of themselves or whatnot, and they have these little timestamps. So I thought it'd be cool to do one for a day in the life of a pressure washer, and this is my day. So I wake up every morning at 7 a.m. and I feed the little guy at around 7:15. He's 11 weeks old. He's super cute right now. I love playing with him. And then I set him on the play mat and I grab a cup of coffee after that. I'm super basic. I just like Folgers. And then I set up my computer and I get a little bit of work done, respond to emails. Just get a little bit of work done. Then I head into go pick up my daughter. I didn't get any footage of this, and I drop her off at school. We have like this whole dance party. Then I head into the first job. I pick up the work truck and I head into the first job. And I usually try to arrive to the first job around 10 a.m. I know for a lot of people, they're going to say that's a super late start, and it is, but this is my life. I showed up to this customer's house and his roof was really, really, really bad. We took a look at pretty much everything and I told him I'm going to do my absolute best. And he said, that's fine. He's going to put a new roof on it next year or so. So he said, just kind of do your best. So I started off by scrubbing it. It wasn't coming off that well, so I wanted to kind of kill some of the moss. So I then applied a soft wash solution. Honestly, guys, this roof was a huge challenge. I had to attack it from like 4 or 5 different angles just to get it like pretty good. He was very happy with the results. And then I started to head home right around 3:30. I was super exhausted. It was a lot of ladder movements. It was pretty hot outside, about 78 degrees. We're starting to get into that warmer weather. And then I hit traffic. I thought I beat traffic, but I did not. Tacoma traffic around 3 o'clock starts to get pretty bad. That I-5 and that 512 start to get really backed up for literally no reason. I pulled into my warehouse around 3:30. It took me literally an hour to go over like one city. It was absolute wild. So I pull into the warehouse around 4:30. I park the truck. I get out, get into my truck, and start headed home around 4:30, 4:35. Then I usually stop on the way home to get like a little pick-me-up coffee. I have a coffee stand, the Cafe Elite, right here beside my warehouse that I go to, kind of jawbone with the baristas, and then I get home. And on this day, I got home a little early, around 5 o'clock. Came home, and then I had some food there waiting for me, so it was really good. We were having shrimp Alfredo. My beautiful woman hooked me up with some shrimp Alfredo with some fried shrimp on the side. It was super good. I killed that thing super fast. It was really, really good. Hung out with the little guy for a little bit. He gave me some smiles. I was super happy about that. He's at that age where he's starting to smile. But then I had to get up and go shower. I was stinking. I could like smell me. And seeing myself all day made me super self-conscious. Like I was like vlogging, and I decided I needed to touch up the beard because my beard was like really crazy. So I showered, then I sat down to do some work on the computer. I got back to some emails, sent off some estimates, and then edited some videos. I was doing some voiceover work, exactly what I'm doing right now. And that was my day. I usually hang out with the missus for a few hours, and then I'm in bed by 11 o'clock just to start it all over again.